Now here comes your living and dining area, which is the kitchen comes with a straight fitted granite slab right over. पूरा का पूरा room is always very well lit. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपकी एक inquiry पे आपको आते हैं multiple calls, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ. और आज हाउसी पे मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ खूबसूरत सा सैंपल फ्लैट right here at Magna City. Let's go and check it out. And here we are inside the 757 square feet 2 BHK apartment. We enter the house and this lobby area has been provided to you so that there is no direct access to the house, and right behind the door is a pretty good space for your shoe racks and storage units. Once we enter the house, right here is your kitchen. Now the kitchen comes with a straight fitted granite slab right over here, and at the end of it is the vegetable and kitchen utensil sink. And now this can be an enclosed dry balcony area because they've also changed the tiles over here so that the walls do not get dirtied. And here they've also provided a pretty big window for ventilation and exhaust fan, and also a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now let's proceed inside the house. The best part about having kitchens at the entrance is that you get privacy from the maids always. Now here comes your living and dining area, which is almost a rectangular shaped space, and that actually helps not wasting any space. Here is your balcony that opens with these sliding doors. The balcony is very big, I must say. It is approximately 3 by 1.3 square meters, and it also comes with these wooden flooring over here and a very tall roughened glass railing. When I say very tall, this appears to be somewhere around 5 feet. So that makes actually a very good safety and security for your kids also. And now let's get into the bedrooms. From here we're going to walk into the bedrooms, into the aisle area, and let me also tell you, हाउसी पे आपको सैंपल फ्लैट के साथ साथ 360 डिग्री टूर्स भी देखने मिलते हैं. उसी के साथ साथ आपको देखने मिलता है एक्चुअल लोकेशन टूर, प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू वीडियोस एंड देन प्रोज एंड कॉन्स वीडियोस भी. And once you are done with all of this and you need any more details, सारे के सारे details mentioned है यहाँ पर कैप्शन में. नीचे एक लिंक दिया हुआ है, उस लिंक पे आपको करना है क्लिक और आपको मिल जाएंगे सभी डिटेल्स ब्रोकरेज फ्री. So go for it, go and buy your dream home with Housey. Let's now proceed over here. In this aisle area is your common toilet and bath, जिसमें आपको मिल जाएगा एंटी स्किड टाइल्स, वॉल टू वॉल विट्रिफाइड टाइल्स और सीपी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स भी. और उसी के डायगोनली अपोजिट है ये किड्स बेडरूम. आपके किड्स बेडरूम में आपको मिलेगा ये एक एलिवेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म भी यहाँ पे, एंड उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगी ये बड़ी सी ग्लास की विंडो. नाउ इट इज मोर लाइक अ बालकनी बिकॉज पूरी की पूरी जो विंडो है वो सारी की सारी वॉल टू वॉल है, एंड उसी के साथ साथ इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ प्री-फिटेड मस्कीटो नेट राइट ओवर हियर. चलिए मास्टर बेडरूम की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ से हम चलेंगे टुवर्ड्स द मास्टर बेडरूम, एंड हियर इट इज. मास्टर बेडरूम में आपको मिल जाएगा एक अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड बाथ, and yet another big window. Now these big windows actually help in one thing that I have noticed is that पूरा का पूरा room is always very well lit and also all the time very well ventilated. In fact, आपको घर के अंदर होते हुए भी घर के अंदर होने वाला feel नहीं आएगा. You will always feel that you are somewhere in the outdoors enjoying the nature. Well, again, if you do not want it, you can always get it covered, and इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा एक pre-fitted mosquito net भी. So I am going to enjoy the serenity of this house. In the meanwhile, I want you to quickly subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such properties. Thank you.
So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Magna City, located in Hadapsar, Pune by Kumar Realty.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.